Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 5G here today to thoroughly test out its build quality in terms of structural build, drop impact and scratch resistance. And time to time we are also going to compare it with last year's Redmi Note 11 since it did not have the best build and was a fail on the glass and disaster in a critical area. Has Xiaomi done enough on the Redmi Note 12 5G to address those build quality issues, and is the build on the level of Poco? With a simplistic and clean design, this frosted green version Note 11 5G looks elegant, though the light reflecting shiny back can be a messy fingerprint magnet. It feels pretty light at 188 grams, especially compared to 200 gram devices. At this point of time, the build seems okay compared to the Note 10, which was a disaster. Also bundled in is the 33 watts fast charger, advertised to reach 50% in just 22 minutes. On the Samsung Super AMOLED display is a 12.98 MP CMOS selfie camera at an aperture of f2.45. On the main 3 camera setup, as opposed to the dual camera setup on the China version, is the 48 megapixel primary camera with a half-inch CMOS sensor at f1.8 with digital image stabilization, an f2.4 2 megapixel second camera for macro, and an ultra-wide 8 megapixel third camera at f2.2. Even though Mi and Redmi have been doing great in terms of scratch resistance and glass protection quality, the Redmi Note 11 wasn't that fortunate. It was a rare fail and wasn't able to survive our blade abuse. We are expecting the Note 12 5G to get back on track in glass protection quality since it does have Corning glass, still the best production you can get compared to Panda. The fails which you see is mostly on budget devices belonging to either BBK or Realme. The Redmi Note 12 5G has managed to cross the first hurdle and passes a scratch resistance test. Now getting to the most critical part, the drop test, where it was a build disaster for the Redmi Note 11, ending up with a drop-dead shattered AMOLED display, an awesomely large repair bill and lots of repentance. This time the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 5G also has a Samsung AMOLED display, so obviously we are nervous about dropping it. 2 low drops followed by 4 high drops from different angles. As every phone should, fortunately the Redmi Note 12 passes both pocket drops. Now the first high drop on bottom side. There is a definite small dent on the bottom right. Not the start we are hoping for the Note 12 5G. Second high drop from top side. Again some dent and disfiguration at the top right towards the back. Things are not going great. Next, third high drop on back triple camera unit. fourth high drop on the Samsung AMOLED. Will it die and shatter like the Note 11? The display seems to be alive and thankfully does not appear to be absolutely dead like the Redmi Note 11. Also, no internal glass shatter as the Note 11. It's a huge relief that the Redmi Note 12 5G passes the drop test with some minor dents and scratches. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, for the actual real-life structural strength and integrity of devices. Will the Note 12 5G fail like the Note 10 due to its extremely poor build quality or just pass as the 11? There are some crackling noise from the first display pressure and a huge amount of bend degree. Hope there is no permanent damage. There is a click from the underside, and again the flex degree is disturbingly uncomfortable, leaving an obvious bend angle on the structure. Not sure how it has managed not to snap, but despite the large bend degree and not the strongest build quality, the Redmi Note 12 5G just about manages to pass and survive the bend test.